Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. So you just want to look snatched but then natural, so this makeup look is for you. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to all my new viewers and old viewers that hasn't yet subscribed. Please subscribe and click the notification bell down below to get notified anytime I post a new video. I'm using my fluffy brush. As you can see, I already primed my eyelids with foundation because I actually wanted it to look more natural, you know, and blended to my skin tone, because I don't want to do like a shouty color. I just want something that's closer to my skin tone, you know, for dark skin. This is like a great way to look natural, to go out looking natural. So these are the only things I'm going to be using. My lip juice lip by Beauty Rush is really it coats your lips so thick, like it's so thick, and it's hard to, like, it doesn't disappear easily. Like if you use it to moisturize your lips, it's going to be like that. Even if you use makeup wipes, a lot of makeup wipes is going to be there. And obviously I've shown you guys this one. I used it in my last makeup challenge. In the last makeup video I did, like my go-to foundation, classic makeup eyeshadow, classic liquid my classic liquid foundation. So this is what I use, velvet lipstick. As you guys can see, it's very matte, it's very close to my skin, and very beautiful. Like, look at it on my lips. I'm going to be using this makeup fixer to keep my makeup looking fresh all day. Yeah, all day. So that's basically what I'm going to be using, guys. So let's get right into this makeup tutorial. And yeah, I'll be good, I'll be good. finished look. I hope you guys liked this video. As you can see, it's looking like me, but then I still look good enough, like snatched, something like that. Not to brag, or I think I did it. Yeah, so this is the end result, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can add on eyeliner, but then I chose not to because I really wanted it to look like natural, more natural, like me. So, and then I added on a little bit of highlight to make the nose pop or something, to give the makeup a little bit of edge, but then still look natural. So I already did a nose highlight, as you guys can see, and it came out okay. And yeah, that's it, guys. Don't forget to click the like button if you liked this video, so I know that you guys like this kind of content and you want me to do more. And please click the subscribe button. Yeah, please click the subscribe button. That's all I can say. The big red button, just click subscribe so you get notified anytime I post. And please click the notification bell down below, that red bell that is down there. Yeah, it will tell you, it will notify you anytime I post a new video. And yeah, and this is the makeup look, guys. My social media handle will be down in the description below. You guys can click the link, share the pictures of you guys trying it to me, and I'll be so happy to see them. So yeah, this is it, guys. You guys go slay your first day at school. Bye.